Most people don't realize this. But the reason they stay stuck in debt is not because they don't earn enough. It's because they don't follow the right system. There's a simple method that has helped thousands of people clear their debt faster than they ever thought possible. And here's the surprising part. It's not about paying the biggest loan first. It's about building momentum. If you stay till the end, you'll understand exactly how this method works step by step and how it can completely change your financial life. Today we will talk about the Snowball Method to destroy debt quickly. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 10. List all your debts. Start by writing down every single debt you have. Credit cards, personal loans, student loans, everything. Don't leave anything out, even small amounts that may not seem important right now. Many people avoid this step because it feels uncomfortable, but this is where real control begins. When you clearly see all your debts in one place, you stop guessing and start understanding your situation. Write the total amount, the minimum payment, and the due date for each one. This will give you a clear and honest picture of where you stand. And once everything is in front of you, it becomes much easier to make a plan and take control instead of feeling overwhelmed. 9. Order them from smallest to largest. Now take the list you made and arrange all your debts from the smallest amount to the largest amount. Don't worry about interest rates right now, even if it feels like you should. This step is not just about numbers. It's about how you stay motivated. When you start with the smallest debt, you give yourself a quick and realistic win. And that first win is very important. It builds confidence and proves that progress is possible. Many people give up early because they don't see results fast enough. But this method solves that problem. When you completely clear one small debt, it gives you energy and motivation to move to the next one. It may seem like a small change, but this simple order is what makes the Snowball Method so powerful and keeps you moving forward without losing focus. 8. Pay minimum on all debts. Make sure you keep paying the minimum amount on every single debt you have, no matter what. This step may seem simple, but it is one of the most important parts of the entire plan. Paying the minimum keeps your accounts active and in good standing. It also protects you from late fees, extra charges, and serious damage to your credit score. If you miss payments, your situation can quickly get worse, and that will slow down your progress. The goal here is to stay stable while you focus on eliminating your debts one by one. You don't want to solve one problem and create another at the same time. Even if money feels tight, make these payments your priority. Think of this step as your base. It keeps everything steady and under control while you use your extra money to move forward and become debt-free step by step. 7. Focus all extra money on the smallest debt. Now this is where things start to get serious. Take any extra money you can find. It could be from cutting small expenses, saving on daily spending, or earning a little more, and put all of it toward your smallest debt. This becomes your main target. Even small extra payments make a big difference over time. The more you focus on this one debt, the faster it shrinks. This step is powerful because it gives you direction. Instead of spreading your effort everywhere, you are putting all your energy into one clear goal, and that focus is what speeds things up. 6. Eliminate the first debt quickly. As you keep putting extra money toward your smallest debt, something very motivating begins to happen. The balance starts dropping faster than you expected. At first, it may not feel like much, but as you stay consistent, the progress becomes more visible. What once felt like a heavy burden slowly starts to feel manageable. And then comes the moment that changes everything. That first debt is completely gone. This is a big turning point. It's not just about saving money, it's about changing your mindset. You prove to yourself that you are capable of doing this. That one success builds real confidence and gives you the push you need to keep going. What once felt like a long and stressful journey now starts to feel possible and within your reach. 5. Roll the payment into the next debt. Once your first debt is fully cleared, this is not the time to relax. This is the time to level up. Take the full amount you were paying on that debt and add it to the minimum payment of your next smallest debt. Now your payment is no longer small. It becomes stronger and more powerful every month. This is where the real snowball effect begins. Without earning extra money, your payments keep growing because you are reusing the same amount again and again. With each step, you gain more strength and more speed. Every new debt becomes easier to handle than the previous one. This is the stage where you truly feel the system working, and your progress starts accelerating in a clear and satisfying way. 4. Gain momentum with every step as you keep moving forward. Something powerful starts to build. Momentum. At the beginning, progress may feel slow, and it might seem like nothing is changing. But once you clear your first few debts, everything starts to shift. Every debt you pay off frees up more money, and that extra money becomes fuel for the next one. You are no longer starting from zero each time. You are moving forward with more strength than before. Your payments grow bigger, your progress becomes faster, and the whole process starts to feel smoother and more rewarding. 3. Stay consistent and disciplined. This method is simple, but it only works if you stay consistent. There will be times when progress feels slow, and there may be moments when you feel like giving up. That's completely normal. But this is exactly where most people fail. They lose patience and stop too early. Don't let that happen to you. Stay focused on your plan, keep making your payments on time, and keep pushing forward no matter how small the progress feels. Discipline is what turns this method into real success. Even small actions, when repeated every month, create big results over time. The key is not speed. The key is consistency. 2. Watch your debts disappear one by one. As you keep following this method, you'll begin to notice a powerful change. Your debts start disappearing one by one. At first, it may feel slow, but then the progress becomes more visible. Each time you fully pay off a debt, it feels like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. What once felt stressful and overwhelming now starts to feel under control. You are no longer confused or stuck. You know exactly what you're doing and where you're going. Every cleared debt gives you more confidence, more motivation, and more control over your money. This is the stage where your hard work truly starts to show. You can look back and clearly see how far you've come, and that feeling pushes you to keep going until the very end. 1. Become debt-free faster than you expected. At the end of this journey, you reach a point that once felt impossible. You are completely debt-free. No more monthly payments, no more stress, no more feeling stuck or worried every time a bill shows up. And the most surprising part is, it often happens faster than you ever expected. This is not luck, and it's not magic. It's the result of following a simple and clear system with focus and discipline. Step by step, what started as a small action, just writing down your debts, slowly turns into a powerful, life-changing result. Now, instead of your money going toward payments, it stays with you. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.